Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at comparisons. We're comparing things using as and as. For example, this TV controller is as big as this TV controller. They're the same size. This one is as big as this one. Crisps, my favourite. These crisps are not as delicious as these crisps. These ones are not as delicious as these ones. This little painting is almost as big as this little painting. So you can use that structure to describe anything. As big as small as tall as wide, as narrow, as delicious, as round. Use it for anything. My wife is as intelligent as I am. Actually, I'm not as intelligent as my wife. She's a doctor. English grammar, as and as for comparisons. Easy peasy. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye.